After months of waiting, we'll be forging the pieces of meteorite that I got a couple months ago. This is found in Norway. It has a couple million years old, and we're gonna use a piece of Tatara that I got in Japan from Nobuya-san and Jesse. Together, we're gonna forge it all into one solid billet and make a knife out of it. This is gonna be a special project. Okay, we just forged a piece of Tatara to match the shape and the size of the meteorite we got. Chcę tu jajko nieść. The charm of living in the farm. Knife is forged out. There's no issues anymore. We'll see in a minute when you actually go on the grinder after it cools down. That was the challenge, to get it all polished up. After a couple hours of work, we're ready to reveal the pattern. We're gonna drill the hole for the tongue of our knife now in this ancient Mammoth Molar. Last part of the process. Let's get the knife nice and sharp.